Hi, welcome to Legal Aid BC. We connect people with legal aid lawyers for free. Come with me. I'd like to show you a little bit more about our services. Legal Aid BC provides advice and representation services to the public in BC, to those that have a coverable legal issue and are eligible for our services financially. If you qualify financially and you have a coverable issue, our services are completely at no cost to you. The process works that the client contacts us and they make an application. Sometimes people might not know why they're calling legal aid, only that they need some help. And so intake worker will meet with the person either in person, over the phone, or they can make that application online and assess the issue, whether it's a coverable issue that we cover at Legal Aid, criminal, immigration, child protection, family issues, prison law, mental health issues. If they are eligible financially and it's a coverable issue, then they'll be approved for legal aid and we'll assign them to a private bar lawyer who works for us under contract to represent them or provide them advice.
People don't always know they have a legal issue. People know that they have a problem. And sometimes they need some legal information. Sometimes they need some advice. Sometimes they need a lawyer to kind of step in. And we look at the client experience as that holistic experience. How are we helping them move forward in their lives?
If a client calls Legal Aid BC with either limited English language skills or no English language skills, that's not a problem for us. We have comprehensive and robust translation services available in intake, on the phone, and online. Well, unfortunately, we don't cover anything to do with tenancy. So if there's an issue between a tenant and the landlord, we don't cover things like wills and estates. We don't cover employment law. We're usually not able to help with small claims, civil things.
There are obviously always going to be things that are outside of the scope of the services that we can provide. If we can't help you, we know who probably can.
A community partner is a contracted service by Legal Aid BC within the community organizations. These community partners help facilitate the discussions. They help facilitate clients with the legal aid, and they can help facilitate legal aid application way easier than a client can do it on their own. And the most beautiful thing is referrals. If there is anything that legal aid cannot help, these community partners can provide them with referrals to other agencies.
Truth and reconciliation is extremely important to us at LABC, and we have a Truth and Reconciliation Impact Plan that helps to guide us in supporting Indigenous people who are seeking help.
If someone from the public called regarding accessibility, I would first try to identify what accessibility needs they have to make sure we are able to accommodate them as much as we can and direct them wherever is appropriate for their situation and their needs.
Give us a call, stop by the courthouse, walk in. We're ready to talk to you. We're going to be able to offer you some sort of guidance, some sort of direction of what the next step that you might be able to take is.
A justice system that treats everybody equitably, right? Regardless of who you are, where you come from, how you show up in this world, is really the underpinning of our entire society. And legal aid and the services we deliver here are so critically important to making sure that people have equal access to the system.
The principles of equity, diversity, and inclusion are embedded in every single thing that we do here. Whether the person is a staff, a client, or a lawyer who helps our clients, we make sure that each of those people is treated with fairness, dignity, and respect.
So many of our clients are experiencing really the most challenging times in their lives. And so to be able to get up every day and do work that is demonstrably making people's lives better is, it's just a gift.